Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn two different ways to sort a pivot table by using Microsoft Excel 365. In this tutorial, we will work with the sales data table and a pivot table generated from it. Our goal is to sort and display the top regions and salesperson by total sales. Let's get started. In first method, we will create a pivot table sort by grand total to see the top performers. To get started, first select any cell in the table, go to the Insert tab. In the Tables section, select Pivot Table icon. This opens up Pivot Table from Table or Range dialog box. Here, we need to make sure the new worksheet is selected and press OK. This directs us to a new sheet. On the right hand side, in Pivot Table Fields panel, under Choose Field to add to report, check the field boxes you need. I'll select all the fields. Then select and hold the Regions field and drag it to the top of the columns area. This organizes the pivot table by region. Now let's sort by grand total. Right-click the grand total row at the bottom of the pivot table. Here it's in cell B25. Right-click and select Sort. Then select Sort Largest to Smallest. And there you have it. The pivot table is now sorted by the grand total of units sold. Let's check out the second method. For the second method, we will use the pivot table that we have just generated. In this method, we will use VBA, Visual Basic for Applications macro to automatically sort out pivot table by grand total. Let's dive in. Before we begin, first ensure the Developer tab is visible. To do that, right-click on any tab at the top and select Customize the Ribbon option. This opens up Excel Options dialog box. In the Customize ribbon, on the right-hand side, scroll down and check the Developer box and click OK. The Developer tab should be visible now. Select the Developer tab. In the Code section, select Visual Basic. This opens up VBA Editor. At the top, select Insert and choose Module. This opens up a new module. In the module, type this macro code. Let's quickly break down the macro. Line 1 starts the macro and gives it a name. Next, lines 2 to 5 creates variables for the worksheet, the pivot table, the pivot field to sort, and the string for the total field name. Then, lines 6 to 8 assigns the actual worksheet, the pivot table, and the field you want to sort to the variables. A quick note, in line 6 and 7, replace the sheet 1 and pivot table 1 with your actual sheet name and the pivot table name. Moving on, in line 9, set the total field name that will be used for sorting. Following this, lines 10 to 14 checks if the pivot table contains the total field. If not, show a message box and exit the macro. Next, line 15 turns off the error handling, followed by line 16 sorts the pivot table in descending order based on the total field. Finally, line 17 ends the macro. Now to run the macro, press F5 on your keyboard or click the Run tab at the top and select Run Sub/User Form. Now close the VBA editor, and just like that, the VBA macro automatically sorted the pivot table, organizing all the regions by their grand total. And that's it for today. Two effective ways to sort pivot table by grand total values. Download the workbook link below to practice these techniques. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.